Hi everybody, sorry for bad English. I'm not native speaker, but I want to share this information for everybody. So, this is my Porsche 924. This model, particularly this one, is very old. It's made 1973, because this one has number 392. That's mean is this car doesn't have a vehicle identification number, just have a serial number. So vehicle identification number starting from 1980 as I know. So this is a first of bunch of this Porsche. So it was before the circuit breaker, like a ignition breaker. It has some I don't know how to say it. I'm convert to electronic one. Now it's this Hall effect with Hall distributor, the spark distributor, and now I want to replace this old type. It's called mechanic injection. It works maybe good, but actually it's not. I want to convert to the modern one. So what we need for? Just introduce you. We need ECU. This is a fuel rail. It's custom made. I asked some people. They have the CNC machine and they made it for me. Also, we need the fuel injectors. This one. We need the wiring. These cups, they work this way. Some adapters. This is a fuel filter with pressure regulator, and we use the MAP sensor, atmospheric pressure sensor. Okay, and let me show you the mine. This is a throttle body from that car, and this throttle body doesn't have nothing. This doesn't have a switch, the end switch and start switch, but I need at least one switch. It's like when the throttle is close, they have to indicate to ECU the throttle is close. Now it's start to working for idle speed. So also need to replace the throttle body. I already bought it one. Buy one. This from Audi 80, also 90, also 100. You can see it has two switches. It's a full. This one is full open. This one is full close. And also it have a little big. It's called bore. Yeah. This one's. You see its size a little bit bigger, so maybe I can get some extra power, but need to do some with intake. And this is This is a idle valve. This one. Also need this thing. Is from BMW E39. You can use anyone as you like, just for free wiring, idle valve. And that's all. Need to remove all these injectors. Let me grab. Yeah. So remove injectors and install the fuel. There's fuel line here. Injectors, and replace the oil, this fuel filter to that one. And actually should be start. Also I need to install the lambda, the oxygen sensor. I have a special nut, get from Amazon, or you can find it in eBay. So after all, I got the normal electronic fuel injection system. Wish me luck. If you like more, subscribe and like. See you.